What is cracking, everybody? Eastern PA Fishing here. The date is May 3rd, and today marks the last stocking of my local creek. So I'm about to head down to the creek and hopefully catch myself a whole bunch of stock trout. I hope you guys all like the content. If at any point in time you do, please scroll down below, hit that thumbs up button. While you're down there, leave me a comment. Let me know what you did or did not like about this video. Also, if you're not already subscribed to the Eastern PA Fishing YouTube channel, what the heck are you waiting for? Do that now. Eastern PA Fishing here. You know what it is by now. Let's get right to the fishing. Now, once again, there are a lot of people down at the creek, so I might not be talking too much, but the fish catching should be excellent. Oh gosh, let me land this one. Yep. What are you using, a little salmon or whatever? Yeah, I was throwing that earlier. They weren't biting. Missed like 20 of them. Oh man, I just missed one right there. Ah, you gotta be kidding me, dude. Gosh. Yeah, hopefully. Lost a lot today. Well, I'm using the smaller spinner, so the trebles on it are super small. Small ones. Doesn't count. Doubled up on dump. Look at all these frogs mating.
Dude, they're everywhere.
Mm-hmm. It's frog season. A lot of people fishing today. These trout are a little beat out. There's one. What do we got here, briny? Looks like they moved down a little bit. Here's another one for me. This is a good one. There is another one for me. Another nice brownie. On the spinner. Oh, there we go. There's another rainbow this time. They've definitely moved downstream. Right when my GoPro is about to die as well. Here we go. Nice rainbow. And he's off. Let's catch some more. Oh, come on, ducks. Oh, there's another rock bass. Actually, the third one I caught today. Little native species. Multi-species fishing video for you guys now. 1/24 of an ounce rainbow colored rooster tail. I have a tiny little snap swivel on there just so I can work this super light spinner. Should be able to catch a couple more on this. You gotta stand like a statue in the creek, man. Oh, look, I caught some other Jim Mokes crap. Yeah, look at that. Thanks. Someone using like frickin' like 12-pound braid. Yeah, dude. It's frickin' braided line. Stupid rig. Just shit out of my creek. I think that's gonna wrap it up for this one, everybody. I am super tired and I would really like to go home and eat some lunch. So that is a wrap. I hope you guys all like the content. If at any point in time you did, please scroll down below. Hit that thumbs up button while you're down there. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you did or did not like about this video. Also, if you are not already subscribed to Eastern PA Fishing YouTube channel, you should probably do that right now. Eastern PA Fishing here. You know what it is by now. Until next time, guys, stay safe, stay tuned, and of course, stay fishy.